welcome back to my channel. It's Sydney. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Today I'm going to be taking out my twist, and if you haven't seen my previous video on mini twist, go check that out. And I said I was going to do part 2, so here it is. But before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So first, what I like to do when I unravel my braids, my twist, I like to put oil on them because I don't want them to be dry. Hey y'all, so I just want to let y'all know that when I record this video, I just woke up. That's why my voice sounds a little weird. But when I unravel my twists, I separate them and then I twirl them in the opposite direction. Y'all will see me doing that a lot. Get my pick and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna use a white tooth comb. I lost my pick, so I'm gonna use a white tooth comb to kind of pick the roots out. And this will always work if you don't have a pick. To shake it so my curls can really get kind of loose. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna do my edges, and that's gonna be it. Y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. That is the end of this video. I hope you like my results, and you can always pick more or add more volume to yours, or just however you want to shape it. And before I end the video, I just want to say thank you to all my supporters and all my subscribers. Like, comment, and subscribe, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell right beside it. Just thank you, and tell me how you think I did in the comments. See you guys in the next video.